We're suffering. People in this country who are disabled are suffering, and I'm not sure many non-disabled people realise the level of suffering.
I'm from Donegal, okay, and in order to be here today, I came down yesterday evening, and I came on public transport, and we're in 2017, we're over halfway through 2017, and yet still I have to get two people to lift me onto the bus.
I know one woman who put into nappies in inverted commas, incontinence pads at 9 o'clock in the morning, and she sits in it till 9 o'clock at night because they won't give her a home care and a PA service. That is outrageous in the 21st century. I know a mother in County Cork who has waited a year for her 13-year-old daughter's wheelchair to be fixed.
We are looking for not something different, we're looking for the same as. We're not looking for extra, we're not looking for more than. We're looking for the same as. We want to be on an equal footing to every other citizen in this country.